Zimbabwean authorities have raised alarms about growing online dissent, warning that they will take legal action against individuals who criticize President Edi Mnangagwa's push for a third term. Sanapinda mashoko atakuona kuti aiwa vakomana panguva inoi mapurisa navakomana vemutemo kuti vanoda kucapture nokubata vakomana vese vanoopposa mutungamiri wenyika ne-third term yavanoti vasubscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda mana mobile merchants, the warning comes after videos of opposition youths protests circulated on social media denouncing the ruling party's attempts to extend Mnangagwa's presidency beyond the constitutionally mandated 2 terms. Paul Nyati, the national spokesperson of the Zimbabwe Public Police, spoke to Daily News on Tuesday, emphasizing the government's intent to clamp down on both physical and online protest. We are currently carrying out investigations to establish where this unsanctioned gathering occurred, Nyati stated, referring to the videos of protesters calling for an end to proposed extension. The swift response from the government suggests that authorities are determined to keep opposition activities, both in physical protest and on online digital platforms, while the police maintain that their actions are aimed at upholding the law. The heavy-handed approach raises concern about the shrinking space for political freedom and expression in Zimbabwe. Tomashoko atona mabuditsa vakomana muZimbabwe tiona vachiti aiwa zviri kuitwa nemapurisa izvi hazvisi pamutemo, ndoda kuti vakomana opposition havasina freedom. Kungoita any peaceful protest vakomana vakutoinvestigatiwa, vakutoenderwa accounted for, takutoona vakutotsvakiwa kuti vatosungiwa. Hatudze mafunguro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pekusilensiwa kuma-opposition voices. Enda kuma section medu mudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe, like, turn the bell icon.